Alright, let's talk about something big. Every few years, a new project comes along in the crypto space that gets everyone talking. It makes you sit up and pay attention. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, the crypto built for fast, cheap payments. But today the conversation is shifting. A new name is popping up everywhere, from private investor chats to major crypto forums. That name is Remittix. People are calling it XRP 2.0. And honestly, it's not hard to see why. This isn't just another coin with a fancy logo. It's a project with a mission so clear and so ambitious that it could fundamentally change how we think about money on a global scale. The big question on everyone's mind is simple. Is the hype real? Is Remittix truly the next evolution in digital payments, or is it just the latest flavor of the month? To answer that, we have to look past the headlines. We need to dive deep into what Remittix actually does. It aims to solve the exact problems that have plagued international finance for decades. Slow settlement times, crazy high fees, a system that feels like it was built in the Stone Age. While XRP laid the groundwork, Remittix is building a skyscraper on that foundation, integrating new technology that wasn't even possible a few years ago. It's designed for the world of 2025, not 2015. Think about it like this. The first cell phones were revolutionary. They let you make calls from anywhere. That was XRP, a game changer. But then smartphones came along. They didn't just make calls, they gave you the internet, a camera, GPS, and an entire app ecosystem in your pocket. That's the leap Remittix is trying to make. It's not just about moving money from point A to point B. It's about creating a smarter, more programmable, more user-friendly financial network. It combines the speed of crypto with the intelligence of modern fintech. The potential here is massive. That's why it's capturing the imagination of so many investors. So, as we stand here on September 5th, 2025, the crypto community is buzzing with anticipation. Remittix has emerged from the noise not just as a competitor to XRP, but as a potential successor. It's a project that claims to have learned from the past decade of blockchain development. It promises to deliver on the original dream of a truly global, instant and low-cost payment system. Over the next few minutes, we're going to unpack everything you need to know about Remittix. We'll look at its core technology, compare it to the giants, and explore whether it truly has what it takes to become 2025's biggest crypto story. Let's get into it. Let's break it down. So, what is Remittix? Let's strip away the technical jargon. At its core, Remittix is a cryptocurrency and a decentralized network designed for one primary purpose: to make sending money across borders as easy as sending a text message. If you've ever tried to send money to another country, you know the pain. It can take days to arrive, and the fees from banks and traditional services like Western Union can eat up a huge chunk of your cash. Traditional bank transfer, 3-5 days, high fees. Remittix transfer, 3 seconds, near zero fees. It's an outdated system that's slow, expensive, and frustrating. Remittix was built from the ground up to destroy that system. It uses its own native token RTX to facilitate these transactions in seconds, not days, for a fraction of a penny. The reason Remittix is trending right now is because it's not just an idea on a white paper, it's a functioning product that's already gaining traction. Unlike many crypto projects that launch with big promises and little to show for it, Remittix has focused on building real-world partnerships from day one. Small and medium-sized fintech companies, payment processors, e-commerce platforms. They've been quietly working with them to test and integrate their technology. This focus on utility is what's getting serious investors excited. It's not about speculation, it's about solving a real multi-trillion-dollar problem. The world is more connected than ever, but our financial infrastructure is lagging far behind. Remittix is stepping in to bridge that gap. Let's get a little more specific. The secret sauce behind Remittix is its unique consensus mechanism, which they call proof of flow. Instead of rewarding miners for solving complex puzzles like Bitcoin or stakers for locking up their coins like Ethereum, Remittix rewards nodes that actively and reliably process transactions. This incentivizes speed and efficiency above all else. It creates a network that is optimized for high-volume, low-value payments, the exact kind of transactions that make up the bulk of global remittances and micropayments. Now let's talk about the core innovation that makes Remittix so exciting. Its PayFi ecosystem. This isn't just a fancy marketing term. PayFi, or programmable payment finance, is what sets Remittix apart from both traditional systems and first-generation cryptos like XRP. Showing diagram. Traditional finance, showing diagram. XRP, showing diagram. Remittix PayFi. Think of it this way. Traditional finance is like a landline phone. It does one thing, it sends money from A to B slowly and inflexibly. XRP was a huge step up, like a feature phone. It made payments much faster and cheaper. But Remittix's PayFi is the smartphone. It doesn't just send money, it allows you to program that money with rules, conditions, and logic. Let's compare it directly to XRP. For years, XRP's main selling point has been its speed and low cost for cross-border settlements. It serves as a bridge currency, allowing institutions to swap between different fiat currencies quickly. Remittix does this too, but PayFi adds another layer on top. With PayFi, a business can create a smart payment that only releases funds when certain conditions are met. For example, a payment to a supplier could be automatically sent the instant a shipping company's API confirms a package has been delivered. This programmability eliminates the need for intermediaries, escrow services, and manual oversight, saving businesses both time and money. When you compare PayFi to traditional solutions like SWIFT, the difference is night and day. Sending money internationally through a bank is like sending a letter by horse-drawn carriage. It goes through multiple correspondent banks, each taking a cut and adding delays. The process is opaque, and you never really know where your money is or when it will arrive. Remittix's PayFi, on the other hand, is like sending a direct, encrypted email. The transaction is peer-to-peer, fully transparent on the ledger, and settles in seconds. You can track it in real time from start to finish. This level of efficiency could unlock trillions of dollars in liquidity that is currently tied up in slow, inefficient payment corridors. This is why PayFi is so fresh and exciting. It moves beyond the simple idea of faster payments and into the realm of smarter payments. It's about building a new financial infrastructure that is automated, intelligent, and deeply integrated with the way we do business today. Imagine subscription services that automatically adjust their price based on your usage, or freelance payroll systems that instantly pay out funds as work is completed, milestone by milestone. This is the world that PayFi enables. It's not just a better version of the old system, it's a completely new paradigm for how value is exchanged, and it leaves both traditional finance and older cryptocurrencies looking obsolete. As with any new altcoin that generates a lot of hype, smart investors are asking tough questions. It's easy to get swept up, but stay grounded and skeptical. The first and most common question is about adoption. Who is actually going to use it? This is the make or break question. A network's value equals people and businesses using it. Fast payments are useless if you can't pay anyone. Investors want concrete partnerships and integrations. Let's move away from theory and talk about how Remittix's PayFi could actually change lives and businesses. Let's start with a real-world example. The global freelance economy. Meet Maria, a graphic designer in the Philippines who does contract work for a startup in San Francisco. Using traditional methods, getting paid is a nightmare. The startup sends a wire transfer, which takes 5 business days to clear. The bank on the US side takes a $40 fee. The correspondent bank takes its cut, and Maria's local bank takes its own cuts. By the time the money lands in her account, she's lost nearly 10% of her earnings and waited a full week. It's inefficient and demoralizing. Now, let's see how this works with Remittix. The San Francisco startup uses a payroll platform integrated with Remittix's PayFi. They set up a smart payment contract for Maria's project. The contract is programmed to release 50% of the payment when she submits the initial designs, and the final 50% upon final approval. The moment the startup clicks approve on the final design, the smart contract executes automatically. The full payment, converted from US dollars to Philippine pesos via the Remittix network, arrives in Maria's digital wallet in about 5 seconds. The total fee for the entire transaction is less than 1 cent. She hasn't lost a week of waiting or a significant portion of her hard-earned money. This isn't just better, it's revolutionary for millions of gig workers worldwide. Here's another example. International trade for small businesses. Consider a small coffee roaster in Colombia that wants to sell its beans to a cafe in Seoul, South Korea. Traditionally, this would involve complex and expensive letters of credit, bank guarantees, and a mountain of paperwork to ensure the seller gets paid and the buyer gets their coffee. The process is so costly and slow that it often prevents small businesses from trading internationally at all. They are locked out of the global market. The risk of non-payment or fraud is simply too high for them to bear without a big bank backing them. With Remittix, this changes completely. The Colombian roaster and the Seoul Cafe can use a PayFi-enabled trade platform. They create a smart contract that holds the cafe's payment in escrow on the Remittix ledger. The contract is linked to the shipping company's tracking API. The moment the API confirms that the coffee beans have been delivered and signed for at the cafe in Seoul, the funds are automatically released to the roaster in Colombia. There's no need for expensive letters of credit. The trust is built into the code. This opens up global trade for millions of small and medium-sized enterprises, creating a more inclusive and efficient global economy for everyone. The success of any technology is as much about timing as it is about innovation, and Remittix appears to have arrived at the perfect moment. As we navigate 2025, several powerful macro trends are converging to create the ideal environment for a project like this to thrive. Remote work, global e-commerce demand for DeFi. The first and most obvious trend is the explosive growth of the digital nomad and remote work economy. The pandemic accelerated this shift by a decade, and it's not slowing down. Millions of people now work for companies in different countries, creating an unprecedented need for efficient, low-cost, cross-border payroll and payment solutions. The old system of wire transfers is simply not built for this new global workforce. A second major trend is the demand for tokenization and real-world asset integration. Investors and businesses are no longer content with cryptocurrencies just being speculative digital assets. They want them to connect to the real world. Remittix's PayFi is a prime example of this. Like a package delivery, a stock price hitting a certain target, or an insurance claim being approved, Remittix is at the forefront of this movement. It's about turning the blockchain into a practical tool for business automation, not just a ledger for financial transactions. This aligns perfectly with the 2025 market sentiment, which values utility over pure speculation. The third, and perhaps most critical trend, is the growing dissatisfaction with centralized financial institutions. High fees, slow service. A series of financial crises. Trust in the traditional banking system is eroding. At the same time, people are becoming wary of the centralized nature of big tech companies who are also trying to get into payments. This creates a huge opening for a solution that is decentralized, transparent, and community-owned. Remittix, as a decentralized protocol, offers a compelling alternative. It promises a financial network that is not controlled by any single bank, government, or corporation, which is an incredibly powerful narrative in the current climate. Finally, the technological infrastructure has finally caught up to the vision. A decade ago, the idea of a globally scalable blockchain that could handle thousands of transactions per second with smart contract capabilities was a distant dream. Early blockchains were too slow and scaling solutions were experimental. But in 2025, thanks to years of research and development across the entire industry, the tools are now available. Remittix is built on the shoulders of giants, leveraging breakthroughs in consensus mechanisms, Layer 2 scaling interoperability protocols. Its timing is perfect, because the technology is finally ready to deliver on the promises that crypto made years ago. So, we've broken it all down. We've looked at the tech, the market, the risks, the massive potential. This brings us back to the ultimate question. Is Remittix the next XRP? Is it 2025's biggest crypto story waiting to happen? While nobody has a crystal ball, the evidence is incredibly compelling. Remittix isn't just an incremental improvement. It represents a fundamental leap forward. It takes the core idea of a fast payment crypto and supercharges it with programmability and the intelligence of its PayFi ecosystem. It aims to solve a problem that affects billions of people and involves trillions of dollars. Of course, there are risks involved. The project is still young. It faces immense competition from other cryptocurrencies and from traditional financial giants. The regulatory path is uncertain. Successful adoption is never guaranteed. Building a global network is an uphill battle that requires flawless execution. An investment in Remittix, like any altcoin, carries significant risk. But with high risk often comes high reward. The upside here is hard to ignore. What makes Remittix stand out in 2025 is focus and clarity. It's not trying to do everything, it's focused on being the absolute best at one thing, building the financial rails for the next internet, speed, low cost, programmability through PayFi. So is Remittix the one to watch? Absolutely.